Hi, this is Emily the Songbird, and today we're going to do the song I Hope You Dance by Leanne Womack. And we're doing capoed on the 3rd fret, starting in E minor, and then we go E minor to C to G to D. And I do thumb, pointer, and then the middle and the ring together. E minor to C to G to D, then E minor to C to D, and then it starts on the G for four measures. I hope you never lose your sense of wonder. Walk down to E minor. You get your fill to eat, but always keep that hunger. 4. May you see, never take one single breath for granted. 4 on D. God forbid love ever leave you empty-handed. Then we go to C. I hope you still feel small when you D. So C to the D to the G. So hope you still feel small when you stand beside the ocean. Back to C. Whenever one door closes, I hope one more open. A minor. Promise me that you'll give. Then a G with the B and the bass. Faith, fighting, then the C. Chance. I do a C at 9. A minor. And when you get the choice, sit it out or dance. So we do those for 2 beats. I hope you still feel small when you stand beside the ocean. Whenever one door closes, I hope one more open. Promise me that you'll give faith a fighting chance. A minor. And when you get the choice, sit it out or dance. Now we go to the E minor for the chorus. I hope you dance. C, I hope you G to D. I hope you dance. C to D. Then to the verse 2. I hope you never feel those mountains in the distance. Walk to E minor. Never settle for the path of least resistance. C, living might mean taking chances, but they're worth taking. D, loving might be a mistake, but it's worth making. And then we have that C to the D, the G. Don't let some heart leave you bitter. See, when you come close to selling out, reconsider. A minor. Give the heavens above. G with the B and the bass. More than just passing glance. C. And when you A minor, when you get the choice, sit it out or dance. I hope you, same thing, dance. G. I hope you dance. I hope you dance. I hope you dance. Now there's a background lyric, but I'm going to skip that and go to the bridge part. I hope you still feel small and stand beside the ocean. C to D to G. Never one door closes, I hope one more open. Promise me that you'll give faith a fighting chance. A minor. When you get the choice, D to sit it out. When you get the choice to sit it out or dance. just a short tutorial how to make it super simple to sing this and play this beautiful song. Such a good reminder of the dance of life, right? Hope you never lose your sense of wonder. You get your fill to eat, but always keep that hunger. May you never take one single breath for granted. God forbid love ever leave you empty-handed. I loved to dance when I was a little girl with my dad, and so this song reminds me of the joy of dancing with him. I hope that it brings back really beautiful memories for you of dancing, and I hope that you feel free to sing it and express who you truly are. If you appreciated this video, I would love it if you gave it a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. And you can also visit my website, www.findyoursong.com, for my free online Find Your Song guitar tutorial. I hope you have a magical and musical day. Many blessings.